Welcome. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or laying down. Keep your spine long but not rigid. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow, effortless exhale through the mouth. Keep breathing like this. Let go of the need to do anything right now. There is nowhere else you need to be. Just notice the weight of your body pressing into the surface beneath you and feel the support of the ground. Now, bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. You don't need to change it. Just observe the air moving in and moving out. Notice the slight rise of the belly on the inhale and the soft release on the exhale. If your mind begins to drift toward thoughts of the past or the future, that's okay. Just acknowledge the thought and gently, without judgment, return your focus to the sensation of breathing. Use each breath as an anchor to this moment. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, shift your awareness to your body. Start at the top of the head. Soften the forehead. Relax the jaw. Let the shoulders drop away from the ears. Feel the relaxation traveling down through the chest, the arms, and into the palms of your hands. Let the belly be soft. Let the legs feel heavy and completely at rest. Check in with yourself. If you find any area of tightness, breathe directly into it. Imagine the tension dissolving with every exhale. In this space of stillness, simply be. No techniques, no focus, just pure open awareness. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the air on your skin and listen to the sounds around you. Give your fingers and toes a gentle wiggle. Take one final deep breath in, filling the lungs completely. Hold it for a moment and let it go. Gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of lightness with you as you move back into your day. Thank you for sharing this practice.